All right. Hi, Peter from Mechanics, mate. I'm here with John today.
Yep.
And he's had a problem with this harmonic balancer on this truck.
Yep.
Explain what's been happening, John.
Okay, we're redoing a camshaft in it and putting the balancer using a snap-on balancer install tool. Balancer's reached 5 mils shy of going on. It might have galled up, going back on. We had lubricant on it. Wrecked the tool. So now we're here with Pete with his tool, so we can remove the balancer and see if we can fix the problem or sort the problem out.
All right, let's go for it, John.
No problem. Gotta put the specs on.
All right. So tell us, John, what have we got in here anyway?
454. It's got about 10.5 to 1 in it. Alloy heads, mild hydraulic camshaft in it. 750 Holly,
yep.
MSD. Just a little tow vehicle for the race car.
Okay, what's the race car?
VN Commodore. We run in Top Sportsman. Herc Kazantzis owns the car.
Yep.
Thing runs 8Os all day long. Good little bracket car.
Yep.
A lot of people know the car.
Yep. NA, is it?
Yeah, normally aspirated, single car, big block, built by Sam at West End.
Okay.
Been around for a few years now.
Yeah. And so what's the plans of putting the monster motor like this in here?
Just torque.
Okay.
We only just need a bit of torque to tow the trailer.
Okay.
We were towing it before with a V-dub, but we just want something a bit bigger.
Ah, good on you. All right.
Okay.
So what we're going to do now, John's going to use the 5-ton cylinder on here with a hand pump and see if we can remove it. We're just trying to test how tight this balancer is on here now, especially seeing as he's damaged his tool, his installer.
Okay.
All right. There you go, John. So I'm going to go on the hand pump. John's going to hold this all in position. Not that we need to, but
Okay, she's locked on.
let's give it a go. And I'll try and get this in position. Whoops.
Come in
Try and get.
underneath.
Yep. Let's give this a go in here. There we go. So we can see the pressure gauge.
If we get that in here.
So we're using the hand pump on here. Okay, John, you go. Let's see. It'll take a little bit. The piston's got to come out to push this off. All right, there we go. Let's see. Well, she's tight.
Ooh, maybe should have put it outside.
Oh, there we go. So, yep, okay, so that's less than 5 ton. Okay, keep going, John.
Put this here.
You can take it out now if you want, because this is going to come out easy.
I guess.
There we go. All right, so we're going to go and inspect this, and then we'll come back and we'll put this back on.
No problem.
Pause it, please. So, John, what have we found in taking the balancer off? Any problems?
Not really, just a little bit of a gall mark just there, which...
I'm not going to worry about?
No, not going to worry about it. It's all fine. I think just the tool that we were using failed.
Okay, well, let's throw it on.
Okay.
So you reckon you'll be able to do this with the radiator in position mode or what?
Nah, no way.
No?
Okay, she's in.
Too hard?
Just a little bit.
Or you just like doing things easier?
Yeah. As we've gotten older now, Pete, I think we need to do things easier. And this is a lifesaver, this tool.
Oh, thank you. Okay, just push the thread in a little bit. Yep.
That's what I
if you got the cylinder square, she'll line up.
There we go.
Now, as soon as you've got a little bit less access, you use your ratcheting ring on there, on the hex drive.
Yep. Oh, I'll keep turning while she's turning, makes it easier for her.
Yep.
We did have a... There it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we did clean up the thread in the crankshaft snout, just to make things go that much easier. Don't damage anything. All right. When you get to the bottom, just touch the bottom, then back it off a quarter of a turn.
So wait till she...
Mm-hmm.
Still turning. Okay, she's
Okay, now back it off. Yep, that's it. Done. All right.
How tight? That's it?
Just nip it up.
nip?
Yeah. You're not driving it on with a nut. We're using the hydraulics to drive this on now.
Okay,
That can go anywhere, mate. Doesn't matter.
Can go anywhere now.
Yep. All right.
Do you need to see how much thing or?
No, I don't think we'll worry. You just tell me what you're measuring. Go for it.
Go, Herc.
Faster, faster.
Pump.
Come on.
Oh, look at this. 1001.
Keep going.
2002.
You'll know when it bottoms out. She'll go hard straight away. We'll hear him go tighter. Go.
Ah, she's on straight away, you can see.
Keep going.
That's it.
That's it. You're done.
She's on.
You're kidding me.
No, that's
No.
it.
You're
Alright.
kidding me.
Job done.
You're
kidding me.
Go on, Lou. Video the boys.
Video, look at the look on his face. He's
I
wrapped up.
can't believe that. That's
2
unbelievable.
seconds, eh?
I can't believe that.
10 seconds and it's on basically.
So how long were you fighting with this?
Oh, hours.
Last Saturday.
Oh, for hours, man. Hours.
Serious?
Yeah, hours.
Okay. Oh well.
That's what you need,
That
eh?
is amazing.
That's the name.
Thanks, fellas.
No, thank you. To do the job, right? So this was in here.
Yep.
We had all the other stuff in front of it. We reached a stage where she galled up. So we're hanging in here. Herc's raising a sweat. And then we put the old trusty old bar in it too. So we had a bit of leverage here and it would not go on. We were there all day.
All day.
Oh, not all day, but you know, most of the day. In 10 seconds, the balance is on. With Pete's
puller?
Pete's puller and pusher. Pete's puller and pusher. Look at that. That's just awesome.
Yeah. I'm amazed.